Well, good morning, everybody. Mark Finan here in the home weather office on this Wednesday morning. It is the 6th day of December, 2023. This is the morning briefing coming to you from the home weather office. And as I look out the window of the home weather office, there's blue sky and some clouds. But later on today, we are going to be seeing some rain and some Sierra snow. It's nothing all that big, but hey, we haven't seen much rain lately. We got something to talk about. And you might just want to check out the timing on what we're going to be seeing as we go through the day. So here's a beautiful look at what's happening. Right now we have these increasing clouds, mostly sunny in the Sierra right now as I'm recording this. And then as you can see, here is this little line out in here. Now this is the last bit of that weather system that's been bringing a ton of rain to the northwest. We talked about that a couple of days ago. But we kind of get the tail edge of this that will bring us some nice rain. There's some pretty good precipitable water with this, which is why we may be able to squeeze out a quick 1/4 of an inch of rain as this line goes through. And then behind it, there's going to be a very weak wave that'll slide through the area during the day on Thursday. However, I'll tell you, the morning models have really backed off on what we might see on Thursday, and even earlier, they weren't expecting all that much. So let's take a look at a couple of different model runs. They're in really good agreement in terms of the timing of what we might see today. This is the HRRR. And I'll stop this at noontime. So the HRRR is maybe 1 or 2 hours slower than what it was thinking yesterday, but not by much. I mean, this is the difference of, it's raining at your house at 1 o'clock as opposed to noon or something like that. So it's just slightly slower, but at noontime, this model says it's raining in Lake County and down into Napa County, but Sacramento and toward the Sierra still dry. So traveling through the Sierra, not a problem. This is around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and this is going to be the best rain. And it should rain pretty nicely for a while. This won't be a little drizzle. I think it's going to rain, a nice steady rain for a couple of hours, which is how we'll get our 1/4 of an inch of rain or so. But at this time, we have rain in Grass Valley and Colfax. We have rain throughout Sacramento and Roseville, Placerville, Stockton, but the farther south you go, Modesto will get some rain, but just not very much. And at 3 o'clock, we're probably just starting to get some snow in the Sierra. And it will be maybe 4 or 5 o'clock that we start getting into chain controls. This is 5 o'clock. So then we have the snow in the Sierra. We have rain up and down Highway 49. So from Sonora to Grass Valley, it is raining. Snow level likely around 6,000 feet. The valley's starting to dry out. Again, that's 5 o'clock this afternoon. This evening, everything dries out. The snow dissipates. Maybe a stray shower during the overnight. And then this next wave on Thursday, this is Thursday morning at about 7, 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock in the morning. And as you can see, this next wave, watch how this kind of falls apart. This does not have much water with it. It's nice and cold, but it doesn't have much water with it. So while there will likely be a few showers on Thursday, this is Thursday around 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, it just doesn't look that impressive. Wouldn't be surprised if some of these showers actually have a little bit of lightning with them. We might have a brief thunderstorm, but we're just not going to see much in the way of either rain or snow on Thursday. So that's the way the HRRR shows it. The NAM is pretty similar. Let's go through the day. This is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Keep in mind, this model goes in 3-hour increments. The previous model goes in 1-hour increments. So that's why we like the HRRR, because it's when everything's in range of it. So this is 1 o'clock in the afternoon, very similar. The rain's on the coast range, but not into the valley yet. At 4 o'clock in the afternoon, it is raining, and same locations, and getting into the snow in the Sierra. Like I said, very, very similar to HRRR, which we always like. And then this is Thursday. This one also shows a weakening wave. This is 1 o'clock in the afternoon on Thursday. Notice the north-south alignment here, that once you get north of Lake Tahoe, we see some nice light snow, a couple of inches of snow, but south of Lake Tahoe, down toward Kirkwood, Bear Valley, and Point South, we just don't see very much. And then this is the showers we'll see on Thursday afternoon, and then all of that dries out. And then we are dry, but rather chilly as we head toward the weekend. We're going to have some cold mornings on Saturday and Sunday. So let me show you how much rain these models are thinking. This the NAM is thinking 1/3 of an inch of rain for the Sacramento area. For the foothills, some of the upper areas may see as much as an inch of rain. You go south of Highway 50 and the amounts really drop off. So Sonora over the next couple of days may only see a couple of tenths of an inch of rain, while Grass Valley may be pushing closer to 3/4 of an inch of rain. The snow level during the day on Friday will be low enough that we may see a half an inch of snow down at let's say 4,000 feet. So for those of you in Pollock Pines or Pioneer, you may see a half an inch of snow on Thursday. Really not that much, but the snow that could cause us chain controls, the NAM is pretty robust here, bringing us maybe 6 inches of snow over the next couple of days. So that's why we'll have chain controls for a while, both today and again during the day on Thursday. So yeah, this is nice, but as we all know, for a December system to come through, this isn't all that impressive, but it is something you want to plan around. So the rest of the morning is dry, and a lot of tomorrow is dry as well. Tomorrow's more scattered showers. Today it's more like it just rains over any one location for 2 hours or so, and you get a half an inch. I shouldn't say half. You get a quarter of an inch, maybe a third of an inch, and then for the foothills, the rain hangs on for a little bit longer. You may get rain for 3 or 4 hours, and that's how you get the half to 3/4 of an inch of rain in some spots like Grass Valley or Colfax. And then, the weekend will stay dry, but we'll have those chilly mornings with temperatures down in the 30s and maybe some scattered frost here and there. So that's everything I've got for you this morning. It is, Wednesday. I'll be in the studio at 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, and 11. And then from there, I'm going to play hooky the next couple of days. I'll be off Thursday, Friday. If need be, I'll hop on and do some updates, but otherwise I'll just be out playing and doing things. So that's everything I've got for you this morning. I'll be in the studio later on today. Make it a great day. I'll talk with you later.